Hello viewers, here is a Sony cordless telephone with answering system, model SPP-A40, 10 channel transmission in the 46 to 49 megahertz range. It has a Digitan outgoing message, but I believe it's a cassette for recording the incoming messages. It has the voice time and date stamp, and it can record memos and the phone calls on the phone itself. And you can pause the video and read all the features if you so desire to. Now the Digitan outgoing message was probably a pretty big selling point back in the day because it would eliminate the delay between the time that the outgoing message was played and the time, oh this isn't going to be good, and the time that the messages would start getting recorded. And despite there being no packing materials in the box, the phone did survive. Okay, great. So, I don't know what this would have cost, but it probably would have been a little bit on the expensive side. It's a thick antenna. It is rubbery, but it's not broken. Speed dial numbers on the back. I've always really liked the aesthetics of these Sony phones. It's just classic, very iconic styling of the 90s phones. Of course, this is heavily yellowed, which is pretty typical after years of service. It's relatively clean though, the buttons aren't sticky or anything like that. Let's see if we have a battery in here, and we do. That's probably not good. We have a Sony battery, oh, so maybe it's the original battery, made in the Indonesia. I will give this battery a shot. It's not corroded or anything. Unfortunately, it was made in the China. Great. Only piece of packing material within the box. Protected the base. And you can see where the handset sat and protected the base from the sun exposure. It's a lot less yellowed. Here's the informations on the base. I would suspect this is probably a product of the mid to late 90s. Let's see if we have a battery in here. Nope. Don't have a battery in there. Oh, what kind of... oh, I'll say maybe 4 AAA batteries, perhaps, for the battery backup. And it looks like for wall mounting, you would have need to have a bracket, which I don't have. A lot of physical controls on the side. We have the pulse and tone, CPC, whatever that is. It didn't come with the manual, so I may have to get one of those somewhere if I can find one. Takes in the DC 9 volts. No functions will operate unless the greeting is recorded. Is this the adapter it calls for? Yes, it is. It's the A, the C, the T, the 4, the 2 AC adapter. I like that diagram for the polarity. It has the extra visual, which is nice. Very clear. The DC, the 350 milliamps. the yellow 9 volts plug. Wonder if this is going to be a Uniden product. The adapter doesn't necessarily look Uniden, but I don't know. We'll see. So that's going to be it for this video. I'm going to create some suspense, and we're going to do the initial checkout in the second video.